Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's class on Sādanta Pranayama. In this class, we'll see what is Sādanta Pranayama, how to do the practice, who should avoid the practice, and what are its benefits. This pranayama is also a part of my 9-day pranayama journey, which is starting on June 13th, where I'll be teaching you pranayama techniques to help you connect with your breath, as well as put you on a path to heal from stress to anxiety to cardiovascular health, hormonal imbalance, and so much more. I'll leave a link on how to join in the comments. So we'll begin with what is Sādanta Pranayama. Sādanta Pranayama is a cooling pranayama which literally helps in reducing the body temperature. So in turn, it cools the body as well as calms the mind. Coming to the benefits of this practice, as it's a cooling practice, it's great to do in summer to help cool down the body, and it's also beneficial for people suffering from hot flashes. We are breathing in through our mouth, so this again helps in maintaining our oral hygiene. It helps in quenching thirst. The hissing sound can help calm the mind. It can be very soothing for the ears and eyes. Now, if you suffer from high BP, this helps lower BP. If you have acidity, it helps manage acidity. It can cure chronic indigestion and chronic skin diseases. Now, coming to how to do the practice, this practice can be done sitting in a comfortable seated position, either on the mat, bed or chair. Like every other pranayama, remember to keep your back straight. The second thing is, remember to be well hydrated, at least 20 minutes before the practice, because sometimes this can be drying. So let me show you. Place your palms in chin mudra. Let it come to rest on your knees or thighs. Remember to keep your back straight. Stack your teeth one over the other and open your mouth wide. Your tongue comes to rest just behind the lower teeth. Now, when you breathe in this practice, you're going to breathe in through your mouth. One thing to keep in mind here is, you're not pulling your navel back. Try and gently push your belly forward. Later, it becomes automatic, but initially, push your belly forward as you breathe in through your mouth. Close your mouth, then let your tongue come back to its neutral position. Maybe it will touch the top palate. Hold for about 2 seconds or 4 seconds, and then fully breathe out through your nose. So let's do it together. Stack your teeth one over the other. Tongue comes to rest behind your lower teeth, the tip of your tongue. Inhale through your mouth. Close your lips and close your eyes. And breathe out completely through your nose. So let's do 5 rounds together. Stack your teeth. Completely breathe out through your nose. 2 things that can happen here is you may tense your shoulders or you may tighten the muscles in your jaw. So just remember to keep it relaxed. And initially it may happen, but eventually, if you're aware of it, if you're conscious of it, you will be able to do it in a more relaxed way. Once again, 4 more rounds together. Inhale. Pause. Exhale through your nose. Round 3. Round 4. If there's any excess salivation, just swallow the saliva. Stay here, simply breathing in through your nose and out through your nose. When to do the practice and how many rounds to do. You can do this practice on an empty stomach in the morning or in the evening after a stressful day. You can begin with doing 5 rounds and then slowly progress to 9 rounds. Who should avoid this practice? Don't do this practice if you're living in cold temperatures or during winter. If you have low BP or chronic fatigue, if you have asthma, as well as if you have any teeth or gum disease or missing teeth. Thank you so much for joining me in today's session. I hope this class was helpful. If you want to dive deeper into breathwork and understand pranayama a little better, then join my 9-day Pranayama Journey, which is starting on June 13th. I'll leave a link in the description. If you found this class helpful, please like and share. Would love to hear your feedback in the comments. Namaste.